think the biggest single challenge we have with our product and the disease we're treating is that it's a highly symptomatic disease, but it's not a serious disease. So physicians don't necessarily see it as a real serious medical condition. However, it's very, very problematic for the patient. So our single challenge is how do we get physicians to recognize the significant suffering that patients endure, the level of frustration they have with trying to self-medicate, and the opportunity to improve care. And I think being able to bridge that to drive a better outcome for the patient is really our mission.
I think we're experiencing a lot of challenges today in pharma. I think digital is really helping us, one, to manage to an ever-expanding, growing portfolio of products. I think it also helps us in terms of maintaining our relationships with our healthcare professionals, that ongoing one-to-one dynamic where reps may not be able to get in if we have no C, low C areas, that we can continue to communicate with them.
We're using digital marketing to reach physicians, both the sales reps are reaching and the ones that the sales reps are closed out of. We've seen success in both of those areas. People think about digital as a way to reach physicians that the sales reps can't reach. We've had some success there. We've actually had more success in using digital to support the field efforts. Digital provides supporting detail and all the safety information the rep doesn't have time to cover in the office. I think that balance is really becoming very interesting going forward.
The challenge in digital marketing, or just marketing in general for our industry, is that the decisions are not being made by healthcare providers and patients all the time anymore. And so to go out and communicate broadly to patients through digital marketing channels where you have to get the message out there, get someone to consume it, those channels are becoming less and less effective over time. So for the digital marketers, their success at being able to become part of the clinical workflow, to be part of that conversation that's occurring between a healthcare provider and a patient, I believe is the key to success in the future.
Digital marketing really allows a brand to connect with an HCP that gives them access to the HCP, and by connecting in this new customer-focused world, connecting really means that their material is available on demand. So from a digital channel perspective, it's using, again, all of the digital channels so that a physician can connect with the brand when they choose to. And so it's not really about how you're pushing your message out to the HCP, but really how, as a brand, you're letting your message reside for them to come and retrieve your message.
I wish that people were using digital marketing for adherence. It's the huge missed opportunity in pharmaceutical marketing. And it's unusual because I think in other industries, they see adherence, their form of adherence. Loyalty, really, is what we're talking about. Getting the consumer to buy your product the first time is very expensive. Getting them to buy it over and over and over again, developing loyalty, it has the largest margin you could possibly come up with for marketing. And in that same way, making sure that patients are compliant with their medication, that they're taking it how they should, so that they achieve better health outcomes, which ultimately means that they're going to stay on their treatment protocol because they're achieving what they need to achieve in terms of their health, is a really solid strategy. And probably the further you go along that funnel, the more ROI you're getting out of your investment to reach that customer. And so I wish that people were really looking at the digital channel as a better place to develop customer loyalty, because they were providing value there.